Hello, I'm Gary Butler. I'm Support Team Mentor at PKF Smith Cooper Systems. Today we're looking at percentage symbols that you can use within the program to help you find things. We're starting off with percentages, which is the wildcard symbol to find things that are either starting with or ending with. So when we go into the supplier list, click on the little funnel at the top. We want to filter the list to include if it's got the LTD part in the name, so limited. Click on new to create a new filter. Of course, we can call this anything we like. Column, we go through and use the option for name, condition, like, and the value, we put percentage LTD. So looking for the words or the string LTD with anything before it. Click save and close. Select our filter, and there it shows limited accounts. So if we now go into stock control, do the same kind of thing, but this time in the quick search bar. If we do percentage and then maker, if we enter on there, it then finds our coffee maker on the screen there. So this obviously will show the result within either the main filter or the quick filter. So now we look back in our supplier list and we can use a different symbol, which is an underscore. Now the underscore is an option which will replace a character in a string. So for example, if you know most of the characters in the string, or you've got a number of accounts that are similar in their account name and you want to use the underscore to replace a character, we can do it this way. Go back into the funnel, creating a new filter. This time we're going to select code. The code is like, and then we do O underscore I 001. If we save that, close that, let's select our filter, and you can see here the underscore has taken place of the H of Ohio and L of Olivia, and they're going to filter down on those results. The principle remains that you can actually do the same thing using multiple wildcards. So you can use the percentage or you can use the underscore in other screens as well.